Hey guys, one of the things that you're going to work with in Microsoft Word is the thing called a watermark. So let me show you what it is, and then that'll kind of explain a little bit more about how and when you would use such a thing. Now, though we might not use them very much at school, you'll probably find companies are using this quite a bit with the documents. This is more for printed documents, but digital documents can make use of them as well. In my Microsoft Word document here, I have a very confidential document. There it is there. It consists of 3 pages, okay? And I just want to make sure that anyone who's reading this, whether it's on the screen or printed out, that they know these pages or this content is confidential. So this is what we do. We go to Design. Okay, because it's part of the design aspect. Design is what you can see, okay? And we look in our page background options here in the page background group, and we click on a watermark. Now, off the bat, we can see that there are some default ones, and there are confidential ones. There's one going at a slant diagonal. There's confidential there. There's do not copy, do not copy. If we scroll down, there's a couple more options down there as well. Let's do the first one so I can show you what it does. I'm going to click on confidential, and you will notice now if I scroll down a little bit and you sort of move your head back and squint your eyes and tilt your head, it says confidential. It's very light, it's grayed out, it's right at the back behind all the content. But when you print that out, it's very easy to see. And that's how we watermark our documents. One of the other things that you will probably be asked to do in an exam is one of two things. Either use an image as a watermark or use your own text as a watermark. So let's have a look. If I go back to watermark and I go custom watermark, here I can choose none at all, okay, if you had to remove one. A picture, well, I can actually use a picture, so let's do that. Let's like select the picture. I'm just going to say work offline. It's going to go choose one, so let's just go grab an image there. That's a cool one. Insert, and I click OK, and that's what that does. I'm going to zoom out so you sort of get a better idea. That's what it looks like. Okay, you'll notice that some of the options, if I go to custom watermark, it also said wash out. Wash out means make it quite faded, quite in the background. If I didn't say wash out and I clicked apply, you'll notice it's actually the normal image, which is quite bold and very strong, very detracting from the content. So wash out is normally a better option. We could also choose text. Click on text watermark and you could type in your own text. Okay, so something like do not read this. That'll get them. And we semi-transparent, which means, well, I'll show you. That's normal, and then that is semi-transparent, slightly lighter, less obvious in your face. Okay, layout, diagonal or horizontal, and that's what it does. And that's pretty much what a watermark is. So go to Design, Watermark. You can pick an existing one. Go to custom watermarks to do a picture or a text watermark. Easy as pie. It's if you eat pie. I like pies. I like pepper steak pies. Stuff.